Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. So today we discuss topic about that Facebook new update. What is the new update for the Facebook? That is called previous we can using for a lot of things. Facebook business, Facebook page, and Facebook Creator Studio. So newly market introduced from Facebook new feature, Facebook business shoot. So the business shoot, how we can use it in this particular Facebook? What is the purpose? First of all, every Facebook page to connecting Instagram mandatory field. How we connecting? Just we go for settings and option will be called Instagram. Will be connect Instagram will be in this option. By will be connect here. After that, facebook.com/creator studio. In this creator studio, previous we can using for to posting for Facebook and Instagram purpose. Now this Instagram will be connecting for in a particular Facebook to Instagram connectivity. So when it connectivity will possible, when your Facebook page settings to connect with Instagram, the login will be possible for Facebook Creator Studio. So Facebook is launching for new feature. The feature is called Go to Facebook Business Shoot. In this business shoot, at a time we can upload the video on the particular platform will be called Instagram and Facebook option. The post will be here. I'm selecting in this. Just I'm selecting any kind of video will be here. Any video you can select. Not only for one video, any video you can select it. Just I'm select one video here. This video we can posting for Facebook business page and Instagram also. This feature will be giving for Facebook page and Instagram also. Some people have one question. Sir, in my Facebook page, I can't show the go to business shoot option. This option is not valid. So how can I post this option? The option is not available. We have to use this option will be by using mobile application. But suppose that is not showing for your desktop, we have to using for Google Play Store, App Store. We can install for Facebook business shoot option. Now I'm posting here along with the content. I'm sharing with the content here. Select your hashtags. Now post here. This will be posting at a time Facebook and Instagram. And this will be promotion purpose. Now click for publish. Now will be check. Go to Instagram. Now click here. After refreshing some seconds, the posting will be done by Instagram and Facebook option. So login is not done. I can log in for your particular Instagram account. Here, video is done just few seconds back. Same like that. If we go for refresh, they're done by which one? In your Facebook page also, the video will be done just a seconds here. Instagram done and Facebook also done. The future is called Facebook business shoot. The compass are used for each and every Facebook business page. In the left corner, business shoot will be there. We have to click and open for the Facebook business shoot option. This is the purpose of create a post for in this at a time will be Facebook and Instagram purpose. There's a photo and videos. Suppose I'm selecting for photo here. Select back. I can go with any photos here. Multiple photos. Careful to watch, guys. Yeah, what are the features they're given here? Every feature I'm using for in this option. I'm selecting how many photos? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, I'm sharing for Facebook and Instagram. Publish it. After posting, how it is showing to your page also, you have to check. Previous we can using for Facebook business page, Facebook page, Facebook Creator Studio. lot of third-party application we can use. Now, we don't use any kind of third-party application that is given by the Facebook Business Shoot. That option will be very help to creating for ads also. To creating for ads also. So now here everything will be in this option. Now go back. Again, click for refresh. Once you refresh, we have to check for your recent updated post. The post will be help to reach the customers. Here, see this photo will be open in a particular 3 photos. Is a multiple photo option will be given by Hindis. Now we can go for refresh. Now we can checking for Instagram also. Instagram, here will be click for in this option. So the open for the multiple photograms, multiple photographs. So this future will be given by which option? Facebook business shoot option. This feature we can use and increase the post views and activities and increase your awareness. Next will be very important. This one is a major thing. Multiple images posting on Instagram, multiple videos posting on the Instagram and Facebook, and will be promote only for this option will be given for the two scenarios. First scenario, I'll tell you that here. Just I'm selecting the content. Here what showing for publish what is enabled. You can check. Must be selected by the image mandatory. Why? If you are selecting for Instagram, suppose Instagram is not there, publish is enabled. Why? Instagram compulsory require minimum one images. Minimum required for one image. And after that, schedule post will be here. You can selecting for here January, February in this. Up to how many months? Only it is eligible for up to 2 months. Is eligible for how many months? Up to 2 months. So schedule post is valid from Facebook business shoot up to only for 2 months option. So this is called. I'm selecting for Instagram. Select your photo. Just I'm selecting for one dummy one. Not for dummy one. Just I'm showing for in this option. Copy. Paste the content. Schedule post. We'll check for Facebook and Instagram. How many months will be possible this one? Only 2 months. If you schedule a post for Instagram is 2 months, schedule a post will be Facebook will be up to 2 months. So this is a way we can schedule post for Facebook and Instagram by using this option. If you go to paid option, the get miss option will be eligible to post your content. Is a boost option not eligible here. After publishing, you can boost post will be in a particular option. And in Facebook business shoot, if you're learning the new things, everything will be here. That is called here facebook.com/business. Here business shoot will be open. In this option will be here. Create a ad. We can create ad will be different types based on the page. Based on the page. Now you can see this one. Yeah. Get more video views, get more website visitors, boost post, boost an Instagram post, get more message, promote your page, promote your business locally, get more leads. And automated ads will be started by automated ads and boost existing content. So what are the content you have in Facebook? We can promoting through this option. That is a here. This all will be your existing content and Instagram and Facebook. So this is a method we can follow this to boost post will be using for Facebook business shoot option. So this is a follow for every option will be here in the particular Facebook business shoot option. So this app also will be very supported to posting for the same method will be follow for mobile application. We can posting for mobile and you can posting for desktop. Any desktop version persons is not eligible for this option. We can use method for mobile application Facebook business shoot. So this method we can use posting the images and posting for multiple images, posting video on Facebook and Instagram at a time once. This is a method we can have to follow by the on the use of business, Facebook business shoot. Use it. And if anybody doubts will be here, comment me on the channel and everything will be given by the comment box. I'll explain for the each and every clearly by URL also will be provided in the description part. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe our channel.